So here I have this Geek Chef pop-up toaster. This toaster has 4 toasting slots, so you can toast your bread, your bagel, whatever, twice as fast as just a double. It's got some cool features on the front. You've got the cancel button, the bagel button, the defrost button, and each side you can do different settings. So there's 6 different settings depending on how much you want it toasted. So if some people like it little toasted, other people like it more dark, you can adjust it on both sides so they are different. It's super easy to clean. On the back here, you've got these little trays that just slide right out. You can dump out all the crumbs and then slide it right back in. Makes it really quick and easy to clean it up. This has extra wide toasting also, so you can fit thicker bagels, thicker toast in there. And it looks really nice too. You've got the stainless steel look. So a great toaster. If you're looking for a gift for Mother's Day, this would be awesome. You can not only cook your mother breakfast in this, but it's a great gift. Cuts cooking time down, it's super simple and easy, and looks really great as well on your counter. So that is how it looks, and we'll go test it out with some toast.